Hello my dear Photoshop magicians! How's your life? We have a horrible morning today because there is no sun, but I have my cup of tea. So let's get into it. Here I have an image that I took with my phone, so it's not like a professional image or something. Of course I edited it, but that's not the point. And in this video I will show you how to take my beautiful face and make me look like really old, okay? In just one click. So Photoshop recently released new cool features. Let's go to filter and neural filters. In order to have that, you need to have the latest version of Photoshop. And you have probably heard the word neural somewhere. The way it works is basically it analyzes thousands of images, then it looks at my image and then it copies the features of those images to my image, basically, if we're being like rough. So, and let's go to better filters, and yes, these are still in beta, and let's just turn them on. And here, in my last lesson, I reviewed happiness and other stuff. Here I want to look at facial age. Let's just turn this on. And now I'm going to make myself look really old. Just look at this magic. It's loading. Why it's loading? Because it needs to upload the image to the cloud, and then it needs to download it, because it's working with internet. You need to have a network connection, basically. Come on. And boom. Oh my god, I'm still cute. So, this is how I would look if I was like really old. Of course, we can see that the body doesn't really match. It still looks pretty young, but the face is old. And I can also make myself like look really young. Like if I go -50, let's see. Like, am I going to be a baby? I don't know. Let's wait. Oh, okay. I mean, it's not a big difference, but because I have facial hair and all this stuff. So let's make me old. We can also move the direction of eyeballs. So for example, I can move my eyeballs to the left. Look at this. Boom, I'm looking to the left. I can move them to the right. So basically this is going left or right. It's pretty simple. Let's see. Boom, I'm looking to the right. And now I'm just gonna click OK. And voila, now I have this as smart filters here, which means it's here. And I can just click on it to turn it off. Or I can just double click on neural filters, it will be open again, and then I can change again, okay? Again, if you want to change something, just double click here. Don't go to filter and neural filters again, otherwise it will apply another filter. So that's it with this lesson. I keep this short and simple. If you want to master Photoshop and learn how to create stunning artworks and animations, make sure to go to learnfromfred.com, which is my premium classes website where I teach you stuff that you will never find on YouTube. Never, ever. Link in description. Love you guys. I know you love me too. It's mutual. Bye bye.